Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you wanna watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Price took this out, tapped something here, and then dropped. Now we took this daily, and maybe are tapping this. I'll mark this liquidity as well. But for now, price is bearish. Of course, I can expect reactions from these liquidities, but the main moves I think will all be bearish moves. H1 is only going down, so no way to long. And I wouldn't want to long. M5 is not efficient, so there's literally nothing to do. There is this straight leg, and then price gave a reaction, came down, but didn't break this low. Didn't break this. Didn't break here, only broke here, so it's like this. And this internal is going up. Price is very weird now. Some could say that I could try to long here to maybe come here and get efficient again, but I'm not going to try that. I'm looking for them 5 external points, and the external is something like this, here and here, and then boom. Now everything that happens inside here is internal. Doesn't matter if price goes like this, and then if it breaks here, it's M5, and then I can try to look for the POI to then drop. So I'm not going to try to long there. Pricing that I'm breaking this. Oh no, wait. Equal lows. Okay. Let me mark this. And also here's the efficiency. I'm not going to count this candle because there is no body. It's a doji with a very little body, so this doesn't count. I know it's green, but on the MT5 this type of candles is another color, so it's a bodiless candle because it's on lines. And let's see, didn't tap, only tapped here. Okay, now we close this imbalance. This is H1 efficiency, so maybe can still go down. This will be the POI for H1. All of this. This is the M5. Actually, maybe the M5 is not here. Let me see. This is equal lows, so the M5 is actually here. This is a straight leg. Price fucked around here, but at the end of the day it didn't break this low here, so this points like this. Third leg came up, broke here. So this would be the highest point. So this is the M5. The manipulation of the M5. But we can try to short here. We tapped this. The high time frame POI gave two legs. Maybe this can be an indication of shorting to continue the trend. This is all internal, don't forget about that, but I could do oh, this is not efficient. Okay, never mind. Maybe we lost some trades here, I don't know. We'll see later. Okay, now we can short again. I'll go to M1 because price is going pretty fast. Maybe here there was a short. Like here would be the manipulation. Tap the POI, then dropped. This is not valid, it's inside this. This is M5 manipulation. Like this. This will be the candle. The only imbalance I can see is all the way here. So I will use this POI. I have tapped the 50 and give the candle. Okay. I didn't use this because I wanted to see an engulfing. This is a rejection, yes, but I wanted to see an engulfing. Okay. So now if price comes here, then I'll try to short. Here I don't want to. And I can't long because this is a straight leg. Okay, what the fuck? I didn't take any liquidity, I think. We just tapped the extreme of this POI. So maybe we'll have a huge reaction. That's why we are going up so aggressively. But I have to follow this. This will be the next H1. And here I can only see this imbalance, or maybe here at the extreme. Let's see what happens here. Okay, just broke it. Actually didn't break. Medical highs. Medical highs and gave a engulfing. This is very risky trade because look at this momentum to the upside, and I am shorting the middle of the leg. Since I'm the middle, I'm not going to do this, but maybe I can do something like this. And only get 4R. Let's try this one, but I feel like it's going to just shoot up. Yeah. Oh shit. Now it gave a better engulfing. I don't know. Never mind. I'm not interested in shorting here. In the middle here. Only at the imbalance fields. This is not in balance. None of this is. Only this. So let's just see. Okay, ended up in the, I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't have a rule for stopping there. So whatever. You can do anything right now. There's only one like that. There's two, but this one, maybe here was the efficiency. So we can use like one efficiency here, one here, maybe. And so then this will be the second leg. There's no manipulation. We broke the low. Maybe if it breaks here. Broke here. This is the POI. I'll try this one. I'll target here. Let's see what happens. Okay, and 5. There is no POI, I think. The WPY on M15 is this, and here maybe this one. I'll use this. Because the other one is very far. A manipulation to short again. Oh, look at these moves. Didn't take the low. This is another M5. But this M5, there is no POI here. If it happens. Oh, it's already past my time. Holy, this is unlucky, man. Oh, this was very hard day. So we tapped this H1. I couldn't find any trades here. We started at 4. I didn't want to long any of this. Then we tapped the POI, started giving moves down. There was no efficiency to short. You stop in the middle of nowhere. I can't short here. And then more moves down. This one I could have done like this, 1.79. That's why I don't like to mix this. This was the move from here, and then here it broke. This was the TP, but I tried to use this because it was so close. But sometimes this kind of thing happens and I don't get my TP because of 0.2, but I can't know if this is going to happen or not for sure. That's why I always try to close my trades here at this TP and not extend to another point, you know, outside of this move. Yeah, it's not that this day was hard. My strategy just didn't work on this day because I don't think I did anything wrong. All the trades that I saw, I tried. This was the closest, so this was fine. This M5 was efficient. Fine stop loss. M5 manipulation. The only POI was here, or this one. This ended up holding. Came to this correct target, which would be TP, but I extended to this one. This should have been a win. And yeah, that's it. So Yeah, let's see. This day I think was -3. Yeah, -3 again. But that's it. Maybe this was minus 0.7, 0.3. Because if I had exited the other trade correctly, then this would have been less loss, really smaller. But whatever, that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.